Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and in today's video I'm showing you this look that I'm wearing. It's an emerald sparkly kind of look. I haven't done such look in a while, so I decided today's a perfect day to do that. If you guys like it, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There's always a link on the screen so you guys can click on it and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to be one of the first ones to watch my videos and get notifications that I've posted a new video, please don't forget to turn on post notifications. There's a bell button somewhere next to my channel name so you guys can check it out and watch my videos as soon as I upload. What else? That's it, guys. Let's begin with the tutorial. I'm going to begin by applying my foundation, and I absolutely love this one, guys. It's by GUERLAIN Lingerie de PEAU, which means lingerie for the skin, and it does feel like that. Very light, very airy. You can wear it from morning to night. It looks and feels very, very natural. So this one has been my go-to lately. I don't have to touch up as well, so it does last many, many hours. I'm going to apply it using this NYX sponge. Then I'm going to prime my lids using Primer Potion by Urban Decay. And this one does keep the eyeshadow in place throughout the day. For my eyes, I'm going to use the FRIENDCATION palette by DESI x KATY. This is from Dose of Colors. I'm going to take this matte brown shade, and with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend that into the crease and upper crease area. This is going to act as a base, so all the other shades are going to peek through. This shade is going to peek through all the other shades. Then I'm going to take HUDA Beauty Emerald Obsession palette. If you're obsessed with greens and emeralds, this is exactly what it is. It's Emerald Obsessions. So I'm going to take that matte green kind of khaki color, and I'm going to place that into the crease, the lower part of the crease. Then I'm going to take this very green emerald matte shade, and I'm going to place that on the outer part of my lid as well as the lower part of my crease, just blending it into the two shades that I've applied. You can see it's very, very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I'm going to clean the brush and then just blend that all out really well. And now I'm cutting the crease with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It is kind of clear, so if you want something more intense, you can use MAC's Paint Pot in Painterly or Soft Ochre as well. But I kind of like this one, and also makes the sparkles stick to the lid. You can see it's very, very, very sparkly. The eyeshadow glides on perfectly smooth, versus if you wait for it to dry, it's not gonna, the sparkle and the glitter is not gonna stick on the lid as well as it did now. I'm using a very small brush to cut out the crease with this sparkle shade, and then I'm going to intensify the corners of my lid, the outer corners of course, with that emerald matte green shadow. Then I'm going to take this darker green shadow, also sparkly, and I'm going to place that just next to that matte dark emerald green shade that I've applied earlier. And then I'm going to take that dark green color with a pencil brush, and I'm going to place that on the corner of the lid. And now I'm going to put some eyeliner because I want that glamorous New Year's sparkly look. And of course, glamorous sparkly look goes well with eyeliner. Just don't go overboard with this. You want to keep it winged out, but not very thick, if that makes sense. This eyeliner is perfect for precisely applying that thin wing. It's called MANEATER by Tarte. I'm just doing the inner corner of my lid, very, very thin. And because I'm applying false lashes, this is perfect, acts as a base. Now I'm going to apply some baking powder. This one is by DIOR. Just because I'm going to be smoking out the lower lash line heavy, If there's any fallout, I can just dust it off, easy. So on the lower lash line, I'm applying this matte, like very, very warm brown shade, lining my waterline with some black eyeliner pencil, and then taking the darkest green shade of the palette and just lining the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna dust off all the powder, and just, you can see it's so nice and clean. You don't have to go over with concealer or anything like that. I don't normally use powders, but since it's New Year's Eve, you know, you wanna like have your makeup set properly, so it can last you the whole night. You can party, you can do whatever. Eyelashes, I'm using Flutter lashes. I don't know which name are these, because they were like packed in the box. I've used them before, and I'm just gonna blend them in with my natural lashes with Perversion mascara by Urban Decay. Apply some on the lower lashes as well, because the top lashes are so dramatic. You just want them to look as real, if that's possible, as possible. So just like blending them together with my natural lashes. I got off screen a little bit because applying mascara is a mission, guys. I can tell you that. You don't want to smudge it, you don't want to mess up the amazing work that you've done, so just be careful doing that. And it's always hard to get that on camera. Even eyeliner is just so hard doing it on camera, but somehow I manage, you know. But hey, anything for you guys. Now I'm going to apply some Jennifer Lopez highlighter. This one is by INGLOT. I went to the launch when she launched her collection, and I can tell you that collection was amazing. Very J-Lo, very glowy, very bronzy. Now I'm gonna line my lips with some Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, and this one is my go-to favorite when it comes to nude lip liners. And then I'm gonna pick up my Bobbi Brown lip palette. That's the shade Salmon from the palette. And then going into contouring my face, I'm contouring with NYX contour pencil. This one is very thin, very precise, very nice, and blends very, very well. It's got two sides, but I'm only using one side, the darker side. This one is medium shade, because I always like to be dramatic and excessive. Doing my nose a little bit, and you can see the way I shape the nose, because I want that little lift and that little button nose. Then I'm gonna go in with this blending brush by Morphe, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. You just want it all nice and smooth when doing contour. You really want your contour to look nice, clean, and blended. You don't want to look dirty, you don't want to look messy. So just get in there with a blending brush and just do the work, girl. Work it. Get it. Doing my nose as well, just using my fingers here and there, of course. Then I'm going to take this Cocoa Contour Powder by Too Faced and just going to go over with a bronzer powder just to set everything in place. And this nice contour brush. Then for the blush, I'm using something peachy, because peach and green go well together. So it will complement the eye look and the lip color as well. This one is by YSL. And I'm getting in there with J-Lo's highlighter again, and you can see it's like very, very, very glowy. And of course I'm not shy, I'm just gonna apply lots of it because it's New Year, guys. You wanna be sparkly and glowy like a goddess. That was it for today's tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look and you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you very much for the love and support. And I always say this, and I mean it. If you don't have the exact same products, please use whatever products you have at home. There's always dupes for the products that I use, so you don't have to spend so much money and go and buy everything that I use. And if you have any questions, any comments, or any requests for new videos, please leave them in the comment section down below. That's it for today, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you soon with another tutorial. Until then, stay blessed. Bye, guys.